Hey guys, Officer Leader here, back again at SeaWorld Orlando. Parking lot doesn't seem too terribly busy today, so we should be getting on a lot of stuff. Really windy today. I think I'm most excited to experience Icebreaker today because I still haven't been on it since they got rid of the comfort collar restraint system and have just the lap bars now. I'm really excited for that. I was in line at the turnstiles coming into the park, and some British guy was behind me. He's like, I hope that's not the new roller coaster, because right in the line of sight is the flagpole here making this crazy loud slapping metal against metal sound. Yeah, I have to be careful with my Buc-ee's hat. I really don't want to lose that today. Let's go see what the line for Icebreaker looks like. Also, there's a past member lounge over by Icebreaker that I never knew existed. It's so funny, I just never even saw it there. Icebreaker's got a 25-minute wait. That's good enough for me. Say we go grab a locker and get on in there. And also, this cup here that they give you as a pass member is refillable, and you get your first refill for free. They don't tell you that when you get the cup. It's $2 for 2 hours here. Let's grab the locker and get on. Yeah, the board outside says 25 minutes, but it's what, 10, 15?
Sit back with your back against the seat and head against the headrest. And get ready to break the ice.
It's already so much more comfortable than it used to be. That's really good. It's so much better. They used to have these crappy shoulder harnesses that came down and connected with the freaking seats. You can see the little slot for them right here. And they got rid of that, thank God. But this ride was not good with those. I just got off of Icebreaker for the first time since they removed the comfort collars. And it was pretty good, actually. I wasn't expecting it to be as good as it was. You got a lot of good pops, but you still have the problem with those restraints coming down way too tight. And yeah, it really crush your thighs if you're a tall person like me, because you're really crammed into those trains still. It's a great ride though. Highly recommend it if you're coming to SeaWorld. Definitely check it out without the comfort collars. Right up this ramp here, we'll walk right into the base station Wild Arctic. Really love the theming up here. I can see some shadows moving around out here in the water, but nobody's come up to the surface since I walked up. That's a really cool exhibit. I've never been in the Wild Arctic exhibit here in Orlando. I've been at the one in SeaWorld San Diego. Did I get this thing down? We're gonna head over and ride more coasters here in a minute. That was awesome. Yeah, I used to be able to walk like right into here, right through this portal, but that's all closed off now. Someone left this gate kind of cracked open. We can see a little bit of what's going on back there. This thing's so quiet. I didn't even hear it drop off the lift. I'm like walking right next to it. There's also no one on it, which means that it was just down. I don't imagine it had much of a line to begin with, so let's go ahead and let's get on this thing. Over here at the entrance, it's actually still closed, so we're gonna have to come back. Might as well pet some stingrays while we're over here. One of my favorite things to do here at SeaWorld. Unfortunately, it's looking like Manta isn't reopening. They sent to test train, but then nothing else. I haven't seen it tested in like 10 minutes, so moving along. You know, the dolphin show is getting ready to start here in about 30 minutes. Also, I kind of want to check out the Voyager because this dude had a plate of like hot wings and ribs, and it looked really, really good. I could smell it from like across the table. Looks like Journey to Atlantis is closed as well. Oh yeah, Kraken's open. Let's go give this a ride. It's like best ride here right now. So only B&M that's open. And it's running 2 trains, yes. Way too fast corkscrew. Man, what were they thinking with that thing? That corkscrew is ridiculous. It's certainly the best coaster operating here right now. Oh man, what a ride. Over on this side, you can actually walk back into the Wild Arctic section, and the penguin encounter is still open back here. You can go check that out if you'd like. The Sky Tower over there has been closed. It's parked right up in the middle of the tower. It's only been 15 or 20 minutes, but it's still closed. Inside the coaster coffee shop, these models no longer work anymore. This one is kind of weird though because it's like it's stuck in that spot, which doesn't make any sense. You know, roller coasters are supposed to valley in the lowest spot between the hills, not in that type of position, but okay. It looks like it still works. It's just valleyed over there for some reason. So the SeaWorld cup here, it's like really desirable right now. It's got a huge line to redeem. It starts all the way back here and then go all the way up. So it's not the flagpole making that noise, it's the cables. Look at that. Is that why it has trouble parking in its own position? That does not sound good.
Please consult the
Can't be good for
app
those cables.
for the next showtime.
Let's head on into the Voyager's Smokehouse. No line for food here. I think we're gonna try and head back over to the Pass Member Lounge and see if we can't get our sample card now. Maybe they sorted things out back over there. Infinity Falls is still closed. Man, you could really use a ride on that today. A lot of people here. Right inside these doors is Dining with Orcas. You can go and have lunch. They'll teach you a whole bunch of stuff about the whales. And here's the menu. It's pretty limited, but it looks pretty good. Go for some penne pasta. That sounds delicious. It's pretty cool, man.
Characteristics that you guys can look out for to help you tell whales apart as well. So when you read here, if you look over here.
Look at those beaks, man. Those things are weird looking. They got like flattened beaks. They're not part of any attraction or anything. They're just here at SeaWorld, part of the natural Florida wildlife. I just watched Icebreaker break down right here. They just stopped on the launch just now. People on it. It made the first launch backwards, the second launched forwards, and then it just stopped halfway down the third backwards launch. So, or, I don't know. I kind of wish I was filming. Oh, the Seafire Grill over here has got live music. See Manta behind me. I haven't seen or heard anything from it since it tested that one time. So it looks like we're not going to be able to get on that today. It sucks. Well, today was a fun day. We only ended up getting on Icebreaker and Kraken, but definitely still a success. We saw some animal exhibits we've never seen before. And I hope you guys enjoyed our time today. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.